Hey everyone, today I'm taking you to India, so stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to Nancy's Love Kitchen. Today I'm gonna make an Indian dish. It's called butter chicken. I made this dish months ago for my Indian friends and they absolutely loved it and said, Nancy, you killed it. So hopefully you guys will love it too. I have all the ingredients ready and we're ready to go. All right, so here we have cubed chicken breast. It's about a pound and a half to 2 pounds of chicken breast. I'm gonna marinate this to show you guys how we marinate and what goes in it. But I do have some that I marinated from last night because the more it sits in the fridge, the tastier it will get. So I suggest you marinate this between 12 and 24 hours. But again, I'm gonna show you guys what goes in the marinade. So here I have some oil. Add about a tablespoon of oil in the chicken. I have about a cup of yogurt that I'm gonna add in. I have 2 tablespoons of tandoori masala. We're gonna add that in. Gonna add also a tablespoon of ginger and garlic. Let's put some salt and pepper in here. Let's mix it all up. All right, so I have all the marinade in the chicken. It is smelling amazing already. I'm gonna wrap it with a plastic wrap and we're gonna put this in the fridge and let it marinate. In the meantime, I'm gonna take out the one that's been marinating since last night. All right, here we are at the stove. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Let it heat up nice, melt away. Once that heats up, I have 1 large white onion that's thinly sliced. We're gonna add it into our ghee. And we are gonna cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. We're just gonna let it sweat a little bit. We're not gonna fry it, so you don't want it to change color. Definitely just keeping it very light for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's soft. All right, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste again. I'm gonna mix it up for about 30 seconds. You don't wanna burn the garlic and the ginger. Give it some stir. Now I'm gonna add some pureed tomatoes in here. About 14 ounces. Set it all up. We have chili powder, cumin, and coriander powder. Mix everything up together. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes. All right, after 5 minutes of this cooking, we're gonna put it in a blender and blend everything together. All right, we're gonna go back to the stove again, add some oil back in the pot. Let that heat up a little bit. Here we're gonna add the marinated chicken. We're gonna let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes, but you don't want it to burn, so keep your heat on medium. All right, everyone, so here is the chicken. It's fully cooked. Now we're gonna add our butter marinade, which is the crushed tomatoes and all the spices we added in here along with the onions. Add that in. We're gonna add the last spice, which is the garam masala. And we're going to add our cream in here as well. This is heavy cream. Mix it all up. We're gonna let all this cook for about another 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna show you the last step. All right, guys, so I let this simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until I let all the water evaporate from here. So now I'm gonna add fenugreek, and I'm gonna add more salt and pepper. You can taste it before you add more salt to your liking, but I tasted mine and I felt like it needed more salt. So just some salt and a little bit of fresh black pepper. We're gonna mix it up so we can have all the fenugreek mixed in there. And we're gonna let it simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes to get all the salt in there and the fenugreek, everything to come together. And then I'm gonna show you the end results. All right, everyone, here are the end results. I have some white rice here. I'm gonna put some of this beautiful buttered chicken on top. And I have a little bowl here that we're gonna use to dip our naan in. So if you like rice, put the chicken on top of it, or if you like it with naan, you can use the naan with the chicken. All right, guys, I don't know about you at home, but I am dying to try this dish right now. So let's dig in. Wow. Okay. This is amazing. I cannot wait for you to try it. Please do so if you've never had butter chicken before. You're not going to regret it. We're going to end this video because I want to go eat this whole plate right now and share it with my family because the smell in the house is just phenomenal. But anyway, don't forget the notification button and don't forget to like, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah!